Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to redeem a gift card code on Amazon, right on your PC in 2025. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. Alright, let's get started. First, head to Amazon.com and click Account and Lists up top. From there, select Your Account to peek at your settings, then scroll down and click Gift Cards and Top Up. Next, hit Redeem a Gift Card. You'll see a spot to enter your code. Type in that code carefully, double-check it, and click Apply to your balance. Keep the gift card handy in case of typos. It's a lifesaver. Once it's applied, you can shop away with that extra cash. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed a gift card code on Amazon. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.